All right, I'm gonna make a short video for 7.1.14. Share my screen. All right, so this lab says create a new folder in the E drive, name graphics, and copy the D graphics cat JPEG to the E. Use NS lookup, check disk, GP update, GP result, and then task kill, and then map a drive. So to get started, we're going to open a terminal. So you right-click on Start, Windows Terminal, and the first thing it says is create a new folder in the E drive. So let's go to the E drive and then make a folder called graphics. And then we want to copy the D cat.jpg to the E graphics folder. All right. Then the next thing it says is to use NS lookup for the corpserver.corpnet local. So if we do NS lookup corpserver.corpnet.local, that'll give us the information. Now notice the domain controller is 0.11 and the corp server is 0.10. All right. The next thing we want to do is do check disk to check the file system on the D data volume. So just do check disk / or D colon. Hold on, let's go back to the C drive. The E drive won't map it properly. And then so now it's going to run check disk. And you'll probably look through this and notice that there are 8162 large files, 0 bad file records, and so forth. All right. Now let's clear that. And then the next thing we want to do is run GP update. So you just type GP update, and it says the computer policy update has completed successfully. Then it says run GP result /R to show the results. And here you can see that the results were, here's our information with the where it's trying to go from and where it goes to. And notice that the policies that changed were Internet Explorer settings, deploy printers, default domain policy, and Outlook settings. So then we're going to clear that screen. All right, and then it says use Task Manager to identify the process ID for the language application. So if you right-click on Start, go into Task Manager, then we want to see the details so we can see the process ID. And notice the language application is got the PID of 3882. So if we come back over here and we want to do the task kill command, and we want to force it, and then we want to say PID 3882, and that should kill PID for the language skills or language application. All right. And then clear screen. Now on your computer, the PID might be different. So you'll have to make sure you put in the right PID there. And then we're going to use the net use to map the P drive to the personnel shared folder on the corp files. So the way you do that is net use P:, and then we want to go to the corp files /personnel. And now if we go to the P drive and dir, you can see there are 3 folders in there. All right, so let's go to answer the questions now. It says, what is the IP address? That was .10. There were 0 bad sectors. We had IE deploy Outlook and the domain, the default domain policy. How many folders are in the root of the P drive? And that's 3. All right, so then if we hit score lab, score, and we get 100%. So everything looks good here. All right, so let me stop that share. And that should get you through lab 7.1.14. All right, take care. I'll talk to you later.